definitely eye-catching this year. Let's hear from Mr. Hartsmouth what the spotlight of the booth this year is.
So this year we are placing strong focus on electromobility. As you can see here, we have a cut model in our booth, a cut model of an e-motor, and this shows clearly the different assemblies which assembled in such an e-drive system. So many of these components machine or need or require a high precision machining step or several high precision machining steps which can be provided by EMAG using a wide range of technologies. Technologies such as turning, milling, hopping, laser welding, ECM, electrochemical machining, or even gear grinding. Yeah.
Okay, and then we'll be showing the screen for that.
Yeah, so let's have a closer look to a very important part. This is the rotor shaft, which is in the motor. And these requirements, the requirements for rotor shafts are very high in terms of geometric accuracies and dimension tolerances. So let me briefly explain the individual machining steps by using an example of a complete production line for rotor shafts. So here we have, in this case, we have as a first step, we have two single pieces which will be machined here in our EMAG vertical turning centers, followed by laser cleaning, joining and laser welding. And the next step is the hardening area, the induction hardening of certain sections of the shaft, followed by hard turning. After hardening, we have the hard turning of both ends of the shaft simultaneously, which we do in a center drive machine to ensure the high quality. Later, we have the gearing machining. In this case, it's the spline hobbing. And the last final process will be the grinding in one plunge cut of all the different diameters. And so you can see that EMAG offers complete turnkey production lines for our customers, as well as single machining processes, also customized according to our clients' requirements.
So it's very highly customizable from step one all the way to the last.
Yes, most important is the communication with customer, that we understand the customer's requirements.
Oh, that's very heartwarming. So is there anything else you'd like to share with the manufacturers in Thailand?
No, of course I want to share that. That's why we are here. So I think there's a lot of potential in Thailand. We started our business shortly before the pandemic. But after the pandemic situation, we could convince some of the customers already with our solutions, and step by step we are improving.
Thank you so much today for
Thank
your
you.
time. Thank you.